Hello coaches, thanks for joining me for another Modern Soccer Coach Breakdown. Today we're going to talk about midfield rotations. Can be quite challenging and complex to coach. Every movement is interdependent on a teammate. It takes high levels of communication, high levels of awareness, a lot of decisions. So we're going to look today at putting a session together that includes all of that there. If you enjoy this here, please as always give it a like and a subscribe. And if you enjoy this session layout, we have 20 attacking sessions ebook that is available right now on the link below. Please check it out. 20 full training sessions that take in build-up, midfield progressions, and final third play. Full session plans, 20 of them, ebook, you get it right away. But for now, let's talk about midfield rotations. Alright, so the first exercise I want to look at is going to be focused on getting the rotation right between that holding midfielder, the number 8, the number 10, and trying to get the timing right about when they should drop, when they should step, when they should rotate, when they should move. So we got two lines going at the same times with the three midfielders in the middle working together. It's a pass into the midfielder and then a return and then a longer pass into a higher player who dribbles back or plays a return pass. As soon as the long pass is played, the three midfielders rotate. Two balls go again, same pattern. You can give a return pass or you can just come straight back. But the main emphasis will be on timing of the rotations and the understanding of the movement before and after each pass as a midfield three. Getting players comfortable and confident in that movement, in that timing before we move into decisions and opposition. The next exercise is a 3v3 plus 3. I love this exercise. It's an idea I got from the coach's voice. Two teams play in different directions with their overloads. The blue team plays vertically. The red team plays horizontally. You've got two centre backs and one centre forward with the overload. So it suits the type of system if you're looking at a 4-3-3 or a 4-2-3-1. Simple objective, use the midfield rotation to transfer the ball from one end to the other. It's more decisions now come into play with the two centre backs or the one forward on each end. Do the rotations change depending on the end? What does a bounce pass offer? Different ways to play through. It allows the players to experience that and again make decisions in conditions that can replicate the game. We then move into more of a game situation, 7v7. Quite a narrow pitch, but more focused on the verticality with the rotations. 3v1 in the first zone with the goalkeeper. 3v3 with the rotations in the middle. And then the final third, although you're outnumbered at the beginning, you can release midfielders in to help you score. All players in possession can move up one spot. So you can use the rotations to add an overload. The defensive players have to stay in the same zone. So there's a ton of different decisions and scenarios that can appear here. Sometimes it's best as a coach to let them play for 5 minutes and just let the players experience it and then maybe talk about the different rotations and the opportunities to move and the spacing after a break. Really good exercise this. And then the last idea could be something, you could go into an 11v11 game or you could use this at the start, but this is just another idea for the session, would be a team pattern, just to give other positions an understanding of, again, spacing, timing, and the types of movements that you can make with those rotations and what those rotations can open up in different areas of the field. So I think it's always good to be able to use those patterns alongside different exercises that have decision making in them, because it allows, again, the player to experience something without maybe the pressure of an opponent. So there you have it, coaches, just some ideas around midfield rotation. I think it's good to set the session up where you offer them a little bit of guidance about timing of the rotations, but then you get the balance right between allowing them to experience playing alongside one another, how different positions impact the decisions, how different scenarios impact rotations. I think it's good for players to experience that there without the coach prescribing every single rotation. Sometimes when you prescribe every single rotation, there can be a variable in there that can unbalance what you're working on, and then you can lead to a lack of success, which can lead to a lack of confidence or frustration. So I think it's good to give the players a little bit of guidance and then let the players experience it and then discuss, talk, but not have the rotations as the ultimate factor of the game. That's why it's always good to finish with 11v11 and allow the rotations to come in and out of the game like they would in a real match. So hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please check out Modern Soccer Coach 20 attacking training sessions, 20 full training session plans. That's got build up, that's got midfield progression, and that's got final third play as well. Training sessions that are organised like this here. So if you enjoy how this is all put together, you will love the ebook 20 attacking training sessions. Before you go, please give it a like and give it a subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. We're almost at 20,000, which was our goal over a year ago. So we're almost there. Please help us get there. Thank you so much for your support. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.